Hi friends, today we are going to see how to create quiz in Google Form with assessment. That we need questions in column B, C, D, E and F will be the options for the questions and the correct options will be in the column G. We have to prepare questions in column A, the correct options in column B and the parallel other three options in the upcoming columns. For that we need to combine the answers in the column H. It is achieved by using if condition. If G2 is equal to option A in the first option, that is A option C2. Then if G2 is equal to option B is available in the D column. Then comma, if G2 is equal to option C. If G2 equal to D, then F2. Comma F2. You have to select the cell. We have created 4 open brackets, so we have to close 4 closed brackets so that the condition if condition will be satisfied. Now you click enter, you can get the correct answers, that is C option 176. If you double click it, all the answers for the below questions will be visible. So first column will be the correct options for the question. We have to create the parallel other columns by creating if condition. If A option, that is C2 is equal to H2, that is the answer. Then the condition will be X, marked as X, comma C2, then the same. If not, the condition will be C2. The value in the C2 will be reflected in that cell. You can see that it is not equal to the H2, so the answers in the C2 cell will be reflected in the I2 cell. Similarly, we have to create the other 3 options for the same. Like if condition is entered, you have to select the cell, that is D2 equal to H2. If the condition is same, then it will be marked as X. If not, the D2 will be entered. That is if E2, option G is available in E column, so E2 is equal to H2. The condition will be X. Then E2. You can see that the option C is the correct answer, so the E2 value is equal to H2 value, so the condition is X. For the option D, that is F2 equal to H2, the condition is X, or if not, it will be display the F2 value. You have to just select all the 4 options, select the four cells, and you have to double click it. Similarly, for the other questions, we can get able to get the answers. I'm just copying entire sheet and creating a new sheet. Just paste using paste value alone. Everything in that sheet are copied to this sheet. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to eliminate the X by applying condition formatting. I'm selected the cells and using highlight cell rules, using equal to capital X, it's been highlighted. Then I have to right click it. In order to eliminate it, I am going to right click it and using delete option, shift cell left. After deleting this column, the cells available in the right side will be shifted to left. So similarly, I'm selecting all the X using control option. I'm clicking the control button and selecting left mouse button in all X available in the sheet. By pressing Ctrl Y, the same operation will be repeated. I am deleting the options and answers. Now I am having only questions in A column, correct option in B column, and the other options in C, D and E column. Now my spreadsheet is ready. Here I can rename whatever I need. Now in my drive, I have to create a Google Sheet by using my drive, Google Sheet, blank spreadsheet. Here I can rename it the Google Sheet name as test 1. Now I am going to copy the contents which I have created in the format. By using paste values only. So the option A will have questions, B will be having the correct options, C, D and E will be the other options for the questions. Now the script integration has to be done. It is available in the tools, script editor. I am having some script for the Google form formation with the quiz and points. I am copying the script. I will share the script with the description so that you can also do. I am just deleting the existing one and pasting the copied content. Now we can see the sheet 1, that is the Google spreadsheet sheet name will be available, and I can able to change the Google form name. Here you can see aptitude second year is there. I will change as test 1. Here you can see pop form. Pop form will be run with proper authentication from our mail. You have to just give permission by selecting your mail. You have to click advanced and go to test and save. Just giving permission for the same. Your authentication is successful. The functions called by pop form will shuffle the choices automatically. The set points will able to give points for each questions. I am entering as 1 as it's an MCQ. Just saving the content. Now just I'm refreshing it. You can see the test 1 Google form is created automatically with self-assessment. The questions with shuffled options are available with assessment points. Here you can see the correct answer is selected. The points are marked as 1, which we have done in the script alone. If needed, we can enable the option required option for every questions. I am creating that is the basic things. Name of the student. I'm just copying the same content and replacing the question with the register number. And same copying the same questions and I'm replacing the question with the year and section. I'm just marking answers randomly for showing the assessment. Just clicking submit. Google form. My response band has been recorded, and by creating the spreadsheet from the responses, I can able to view my score. Now I can able to consolidate the name, register number section with their score. Thank you.